Don't they run until like 10 o'clock?
We're going to get our nails done, okay? That's how we do it. Our anniversary is coming up, so we gotta go get our nails done.
Okay.
Hello. Yes, Cece, I have a 9:30. Good morning, how are you?
I am well. How are you?
Yeah, you want to do the... All right. Get the nail deed.
You see the nail deed?
Get the...
See the nail deed?
This is not what I had in mind. I wanted to get something done, something different, but unfortunately, this guy doesn't know how to
do the thing.
Design. And my girl's not there anymore, so it is what it is for now. This is one of my favorite colors. It is next gen, and I love that color. It never fails me, okay?
Getting to West Palm Beach.
Hey guys, what's going on? What's up? Listen, we are out here having a good time. Okay, we are out here enjoying ourselves, and it's nice. I'm having a good time.
This is the surprise. We are actually up here at Clematis Street, and we're gonna go have dinner. Hungry.
Let's go.
How's the anniversary coming so far?
It's going pretty well. It's going pretty well. I'm having a good day. Like I told you guys, all the food wasn't all that, but it's going pretty good. So guys, it's your girl Cece here in hubby. We are going to a different location now. Maybe, I don't know what else we have for me.
Right this way. Thank you.
What's up guys? So guess where we at? Guess where we at? We are at...
Sorry.
You fine.
That's fine.
Yeah, I'll go for it. Yeah, it's fine. Thank you. Listen, we are at Crafty Crab, okay, where he said he was going to take me for for our anniversary. So that's where we at. We are enjoying the time so far. You know, our drinks are coming. Right?
She's going to have the seafood she's been craving. Hopefully she's not disappointed.
I don't think I would. I think I should be fine. For you?
Yeah, we'll need green then. Yeah.
Alrighty, it's ready.
Man, that was quick.
Wow.
Okay, so enjoy.
Thank
Brandon,
you.
if you need anything, I'm gonna be a call away from the phone. I'll be right
All
here.
right. Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much, Brandon.
Alrighty. Listen, my mom would enjoy this meal because it's seafood. She likes seafood, and the spices is really good. Corn, sausages, what else? Potatoes and
Asian stuff.
listen, the meal that I got wasn't that cheap. I would say that again. I need to just make sure that you hear me. Okay, you hear me. But it is worth it.
Brandon, the meal is good.
We figure that it makes a lot more sense to come here early, like 3:30, 4 o'clock, to have, you know, a nice meal where we're not rushing to get to the kids and then we're not eating late. I'm trying to get us back into our normal routine to eat healthy and eat earlier than usual. My husband here, this man loves eating late. Okay?
No. You feed me late.
That's not true. He's responsible to
Feed myself.
on the weekends. So we're gonna be heading out soon, and yeah, it was really good. I'll see you later. Bye. It's pouring though. Guess what, guys? It's raining outside. Okay. Oh. Is it slowing? I think it's slowing down a little bit.
Yeah, no, it still is.
Ooh. You wanna go back inside?
We're done eating, but we can't leave. As it is in Florida here, you never know what could happen. One moment it's dry, the next moment it is pouring.
It is pouring.
It's pouring right now. So we're in front of the restaurant. We can't go anywhere.
I think we should go back inside.
I know. You can stand here and watch cars drive by.
No, I'm not gonna sit. What? Did he just say to stand out here and watch the cars? Like, really? Listen, I'm gonna go back inside, okay?
Oh, actually, you know what? We could. What I could do is get in the car.
We can't. We can't.
I found a way. I'm probably gonna have to take one for the team and get wet a little bit, but we have to get out. We're going to Gatos Amigos Tacos.
It's a werewolf.
What's up, beautiful people? It's your girl CCE, and I am here with hubby.
Yes.
What's up, guys? I hope you are having a great day. We just had lunch
No, we didn't have lunch. We just had dinner.
at a different location today. So yesterday we were at a crab place. Today we at this taco place, which is really good, right?
It was good. It was. I had a burrito bowl.
This one's fine.
Yeah.
Anyways.
Yeah, we actually enjoying my husband's still on vacation and we're still celebrating our anniversary. We just enjoying one day at a time, and we are
Blessed.
blessed and highly favored.
She's right.
And
Now we gotta walk off the food.
I know you guys have seen Marketplace before. That's what we are. It is our spot. We just love this place. The kids have fun when we come to Marketplace. So yeah, nice.
Oh, golf. Yeah.
And there's tons of people. Okay, it's getting dark. There's tons of people out here and living their life, you know. Okay. My feet are getting tired. I need to get home. Good thing tomorrow's a holiday. I'm taking tomorrow off. No, we're not.
Oh, I'm off.
So, am I off to tomorrow? Listen, I need to eat over there, okay? Like every time I walk by this place, I'm dancing.
They have good music.
I need to like, I don't know where am I going by the wall.
All right, everybody. It's been an interesting weekend and week. You know, it's got to put it to an end. You know, all good things has to come to an end.
I don't need no
And just resting here for a little bit, and we're gonna be heading home. The kids are getting one last run. Obviously, tomorrow's a holiday, so they can stay up a little later. But for us,
Yeah, they said. Look at her.
we're wrapping it up. So,
You
I don't know, anything you want to add, Sissy?
What can make me feel this way? My man.
She obviously is feeling the music. Okay. Something else coming on?
Okay, y'all, it's jamming
There's this
over
place
here.
back there.
There's this place
Back
back there. It's called.
there. They have good
This
music.
place is called Ocean One. Oh my God, like the songs are like so hot. Mind you, he's an older man, okay? I'm talking about his late 60s or 70s.
They had good music then. A lot of
He's
this music
like
was from the old
dropping
days.
some good music. Like I heard Flo Rida earlier, Trick Daddy, but not the black version. You know how you know like the certain song there's like a black version and a white version. Like the one that he played was a white version, but the
It
song
was good. It was good.
it was good. Like I'm sitting here and I can hear the music back there, and it's like really, really good. Like now he's playing some salsa, you know. Ooh, let's go merengue. But anyway,
She's enjoying the music.
I'm enjoying it. And have we eaten here yet?
The what? No, we haven't eaten
No,
there
we
yet.
haven't, no.
I don't even know what type of food they serve.
Well, we gotta go there.
But if someone goes there, you don't go for the food. You go for the music.
So,
it was good. It was great.
it
We
was
enjoyed
good.
it.
I had a great time. You know, yesterday was great. The day before was good. Like, listen, this was a really, really great month, and I'm looking forward to more. Our 12 years anniversary was really memorable. Okay, like very good. Not that we went and spent a whole lot, but we just had the time together. We spent the time, and we just making memories, right? We gotta make more and more. So let me just shut the hell up and let it finish.
So, see y'all.